My name is Isaac, and I'm a senior here at Entrepreneur High School. The culinary path is very interesting. It gives you work experience that you can use, like if you decide to want to be a chef later in your future or for your career. It really helps you develop your culinary skills.
I'm in baking and pastry and catering, and my favorite dish that we've made so far, we had to make a creative dish. We made s'more brownie cupcakes, and they were really good.
Some skills I learned from culinary, knife skills, how to cook like basic things like how to cook a chicken, how to make cookies.
At eHigh, I've learned baking skills, knife skills, and fruit prep.
I've also learned the difference between a wet measurement and a dry measurement. I've also learned patience. Patience is a really big one, especially when you're baking, because you have to be patient enough to not check on your food every 30 seconds.
At eHigh, I have earned my fruit prep certificate and my manager's fruit prep certificate. I think the certificates will give me a leg up in the job market where I can apply to almost any job that I would like in the kitchen, and it would show that I have experience.
I got the ServSafe Food Manager card, and I also, with the culinary skills, I was also able to get second place at the Skills USA competition.